This is AV18 LCD screen colored biometric attendance system. This is fingerprint based and RFID card based attendance system. Also you can use passwords to mark the attendance, but the best, I would say the best method for marking the attendance is by fingerprint, because it cannot be, like, the proxy cannot be made up using fingerprint. Through RFID card and through password, proxy can be made. Now we have pressed this button to turn the machine on, and again if you want to turn it off, you have to keep on pressing this button and the machine will be off. Now if you want to enroll the fingers, then if we go into this menu button, user, OK, enroll, OK, then this is user ID. We can note down the user ID on a paper, and later on when we will add the name of the employee in the software, then we will have to keep on we have to tally for which user ID what is the name of the employee. So when you are enrolling the finger, you have to note it down for which user ID whose fingerprint is being recorded. So when you are going to use the software, you know for which employee which ID is. So I will go in the menu again, user, enroll, and then ID 1, and by default keep it on user. I'll tell you about this privilege option. Okay, I'll tell it right now. This privilege option is for user if we are creating general employees. If we are creating like if you want to create an admin, then we can use this one. See, admin is one who can delete or add new employees, and there is one manager. The manager is one who can only add the employees, but he cannot delete the employees. So if you are creating a general employee, you can create a user one. Okay, and in this machine AV18 we have the option of enrolling 10 fingers for one employee. So all the 10 fingers for one employee can be recorded in this machine. And there is the ID card, RFID card enrolling. There is a password, and you can also identify the valid period for that particular employee. He is valid, so only for that particular period his attendance will be marked. But this option is generally not used, so we will concentrate on the first one the most. User, enroll, OK, and then fingerprint, OK. Then I'll punch my finger, for example the thumb. I'll have to punch the thumb 3 times. So see, OK, see, the first finger is marked. In this way I can enroll the second one. 1, 2, 3. Then the third one. 1, 2, 3. In this way you can enroll the next hand fingers also. This is the way. So I can enroll all the 10 fingers, or if you want you can enroll 1 or more than 1 or less than 10 or the 10 fingers. It's all up to you how many fingers you want to enroll for one employee. So in this way the enrollment is done. The name is not coming because the name has to be entered through the software only. Now OK, now if I want to enroll the card, OK, I go to the card, and then this is the RFID card. There are 2 kinds of RFID card. One is one with the slot, and the second is one without the slot, and that is a bit thinner one. So I am just going to enroll the card. See, I have just taken my card near the machine, and it has detected a unique ID from the card, and I done OK. The card is now enrolled, and I can also enroll the password if I want to. For example, the password is 1, 2, 3. OK, 1, 2, 3. OK. The password is also enrolled now, and now I can create the second user and third and so on. That you can do on your own. Also, if you want to, like you have created all the employees in the machine, and you want only the administrator should be able to open the menu, then I have told you that option of administrator and manager. Only administrator, and if you have created an administrator or a manager, only they will be able to access this menu button. When they will touch the menu button, only they will be able to verify their finger and will go inside the menu. The user will not be able to enter their finger, and they will not have any access to the menu. So no tampering will be possible through a general employee. Only admin or a manager can handle it. Now I have enrolled the fingers. For example, if I want to punch my attendance, I have enrolled some fingers. I have taken, see, it is showing thank you. Now in the same way I can use this finger.
Thank you.
In the same way I can use this finger.
Thank you.
See, for all the one, the ID is coming 1 and the time is also coming.
Thank you.
See, also in the machine, if the employee punches the finger within a 1 minute period, it is marked as attendance only, in time only. Now if after a few minutes, like 5 minutes, 10 minutes or more than that, employee punches his finger again, that will be considered as out. And then after a certain gap, if employee punches his finger again, that will be treated as in. So this is the format of the attendance: in, out, in, out, in, out. So multiple in-outs can be recorded in the machine, and through the software that will provide you, through the software you can download all the attendance data in the machine, from the machine to the software, and generate reports. And through the card you can also mark the attendance in the same way. Also you can see the name is not coming. The name is not coming because we have not uploaded the name from the computer software to the machine. That will give you in the software video how to upload the name from the software to the machine. So that is a separate part. Now you have learned how to enroll the finger, how to enroll the card, and similarly through the password you can also mark the attendance. For example, the ID of the employee is 1, okay, and he if he puts his password, okay, the attendance is done. So in all the 3 ways, through the fingerprint, through the RFID card, and through the password, the attendance can be marked and stored in the machine. The transaction capacity of this machine is 1 lakh records and almost 1000 fingerprints. Also it has got the TCP/IP connectivity and the USB connectivity. USB cable is supplied along with the machine, and you can download the data through the USB cable or through the LAN cable, or you can also download the data in the pen drive, but this format is generally a bit complex, so we'll generally focus on the TCP/IP or the USB only. And there is this on-off button, and this is the bracket for hanging the machine on the wall. You can just remove these 2 screws and take this clamp out and fix this clamp on the wall, and then you can hang the machine on this clamp and then tighten the screws, and the machine will be stable on the wall. So I hope I have covered almost everything, but if you still have any doubt, you can always reach us or drop us a message. Also, one more thing, the battery option is also there in the machine. If you want to if you don't have a UPS or an inverter connection, and if you want that the machine should not be turned off if the power goes off, then you can also purchase a battery from us. We can install the battery inside the machine. You cannot do it yourself. It is not that difficult, but again we recommend you should not do it. If you are purchasing the machine and you want that the machine should not turn down when the power goes off, and you don't have a UPS or an inverter, then you can also opt for a battery along with this machine. So the machine will not go down, and it has got almost 2 hours battery backup. And that's all I think. So if you have still more questions, you want the software or you want to see it, then drop us a message. We'll give you all the details. Thank you.